From learning from Luna's how we can change the nylon brushes to silicone to be more hygienic, we developed ISSA following the same path.
What you see in the middle is actually PBT polymer, which is so much better than nylon.
Yes, and why? Because nylon retains moisture, so the nylon bristles stay wet for a very long time, which allows bacteria to multiply, and basically it's not hygienic. So actually, silicone replacement makes sure that ISSA is 10,000 times more hygienic than
a regular brush.
Than a regular nylon brush.
This one is a full silicone one, and it will last you up to a year. And it's made for people with more delicate gums. And this one is a hybrid one, and it will last you up to 6 months of use.
It's very gentle on the gums, while it's very tough on plaque and provides a thorough cleanse.
Starting with ISSA Kids. It's meant for kids from age 4 to 15. And it comes in such fun colors, so which child wouldn't want to brush their teeth? And look at this packaging. This is our line called Animal Plaque Attack. And it's so fun. This one is called Mary Berry Shark. Yeah. I mean, how cute. And this one is also very interesting. This is our ISSA baby device. And it's meant for kids from age 0 to 4. And it's a perfect first toothbrush because it features a brushing mode and a massage mode.
We want to make them ergonomic, pleasant and enjoyable to use, but also super effective.